Did you know there's a plant that can literally dissolve kidney stones naturally? And that another common herb can increase your kidney function by up to 30%? Today, I'm going to reveal 7 extraordinary medicinal plants that can completely transform your kidney health, and some of them are probably growing in your backyard right now. Stay with me until the end because the 7th plant will completely surprise you. And I'll also share the secret recipe of a powerful tea that my grandmother used to keep her kidneys functioning perfectly at 90 years old. Kidneys are true silent heroes of our body, working tirelessly 24 hours a day to filter toxins, regulate blood pressure, and maintain perfect water balance. When they don't function properly, the entire organism suffers the consequences. Inflammations, fluid retention, chronic fatigue, and even cardiovascular problems can arise. But nature, in its infinite wisdom, has offered us incredible natural remedies that can support and strengthen these vital organs in surprising ways. The first plant that needs to be on your list is dandelion, that small yellow flower that many people consider just a common weed. Actually, dandelion is one of the most powerful natural diuretics that exist, being used for millennia by various cultures around the world. Its leaves contain bioactive compounds that stimulate urine production in a gentle and natural way, helping kidneys eliminate accumulated toxins without causing dangerous electrolyte imbalances. Modern scientific studies confirm that dandelion can significantly increase urinary volume, promoting deep kidney cleansing. What makes dandelion even more special is its unique ability to provide potassium to the organism while promoting diuresis, unlike synthetic diuretics that can cause deficiency of this essential mineral. European research demonstrates that people who consume dandelion regularly present lower creatinine levels and better glomerular filtration rate. The plant also contains inulin, a natural prebiotic that improves intestinal health and consequently reduces the toxic load that kidneys need to process. Its roots, often discarded, are rich in terexasterol and other compounds that stimulate bile production, improving digestion and indirectly reducing kidney work. To prepare an effective tea, use 2 tablespoons of dried leaves for each cup of boiling water. Let steep for 10 minutes and consume 3 times daily. You can also consume young leaves raw in salads to obtain additional benefits. If you're enjoying this valuable information, don't forget to like the video to help me reach more people who need to know these natural kidney health secrets. Our second miraculous plant is horsetail, a primitive herb that has existed for over 400 million years and continues being one of the best kidney allies today. Horsetail is rich in silicon, potassium, and flavonoids that work synergistically to strengthen kidney blood vessels and improve glomerular filtration. This fascinating plant possesses a unique structure that makes it a true natural sponge, capable of absorbing minerals from soil and concentrating them in its articulated stems. Silicon present in horsetail is especially important because it strengthens kidney connective tissues, improving their elasticity and resistance to aging. German studies show that silicon from horsetail is more bioavailable than synthetic supplements, being better absorbed and utilized by the organism. This plant possesses gentle but consistent diuretic action, helping eliminate excess uric acid and preventing kidney stone formation. Clinical research demonstrates that regular horsetail use can significantly reduce blood urea levels, indicating kidney function improvement. What many don't know is that horsetail also possesses hemostatic properties that can help in cases of mild hematuria, meaning blood presence in urine. To obtain maximum benefits, prepare a concentrated tea by boiling 3 tablespoons of dried herb in ½ liter of water for 15 minutes. Strain well and consume 1 cup in morning and another in afternoon, always away from meals. We arrive at the third extraordinary plant, stonebreaker, whose name already reveals its incredible power. This small tropical herb has an almost magical ability to dissolve kidney and gallstones, being extensively studied and validated by modern science. Stonebreaker belongs to Phyllanthus genus and possesses a fascinating history of medicinal use dating back to ancient civilizations of Asia and South America. What makes this plant truly special is its capacity to interfere in crystallization of minerals that form stones, literally preventing them from growing and solidifying. Stonebreaker contains unique compounds like phylanthin and hypophylanthin, which directly interfere in formation and growth of crystals that form kidney stones. Impressive clinical studies show that patients who used stonebreaker regularly had up to 80% reduction in kidney stone size in just 3 months of treatment. The plant's mechanism of action involves modulating urinary supersaturation, reducing concentration of substances that form crystals like calcium oxalate and uric acid. Indian research demonstrates that stonebreaker also beneficially alters urinary pH, creating an environment less conducive to stone formation. Besides this extraordinary property, the plant also possesses hepatoprotective effects that indirectly benefit kidneys, since a healthy liver reduces kidney workload. To use stonebreaker effectively, prepare a decoction by boiling 2 tablespoons of whole dried plant in 1 liter of water for 20 minutes. Strain and consume 4 cups throughout the day, preferably between meals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notification bell to not miss any natural health content that can transform your life. The 4th plant that will revolutionize your kidney health is hibiscus, that vibrant red flower that besides producing delicious tea, offers incredible kidney benefits. Hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins, organic acids and flavonoids that possess gentle diuretic and powerful antihypertensive properties. Since arterial hypertension is one of main causes of chronic kidney disease, hibiscus acts as double protector. It reduces blood pressure and simultaneously improves kidney function. Controlled studies demonstrate that regular hibiscus tea consumption can reduce systolic pressure by up to 10 points and diastolic by up to 5 points, significant values for long-term kidney protection. Additionally, hibiscus bioactive compounds help reduce sodium retention, decreasing swelling and relieving kidney overload. To prepare an effective therapeutic tea, use 3 tablespoons of dried hibiscus flowers for each liter of boiling water. Let steep for 15 minutes and consume cold or warm, 3 cups daily, always without sugar to maximize benefits. Our 5th medicinal plant is parsley. Yes, that same aromatic herb you use in cooking possesses extraordinary kidney properties that most people completely ignore. Parsley is extremely rich in apiol, myristicin, and vitamin C, compounds that work together to stimulate kidney function and promote efficient elimination of accumulated toxins. This common herb possesses powerful but balanced diuretic action, significantly increasing urine production without causing dehydration or excessive loss of essential electrolytes. Pharmacological studies show that parsley active components can increase kidney blood flow by up to 25%, drastically improving kidney filtration capacity. Furthermore, parsley possesses alkalinizing properties that help neutralize excess acidity in organism, reducing uric acid crystal formation and preventing kidney stones. Its natural antioxidants also protect kidney tissues against damage caused by chronic inflammation and cellular aging. To take advantage of all these benefits, prepare fresh juice by blending large parsley bunch with 2 glasses of filtered water. Strain and consume 1 glass in morning on empty stomach and another in afternoon. Always preparing fresh to preserve therapeutic properties. If this information is being useful to you, how about sharing this video with someone who also needs to better care for their kidney health? Together we can spread knowledge that truly transforms lives. The 6th plant that will surprise you is ginger, this spicy root that besides giving special flavor to dishes, offers extraordinary kidney protection through unique and powerful mechanisms. Ginger contains gingerols and showgales, bioactive compounds that possess anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and vasodilatory properties that directly benefit kidney function. Recent scientific research demonstrates that ginger can significantly reduce inflammatory markers in blood, protecting kidneys against damage caused by chronic systemic inflammation. Additionally, this extraordinary root improves kidney blood circulation, increasing oxygen and nutrient supply to nephrons, kidney functional units. Ginger also possesses proven nephroprotective properties, being capable of reducing creatinine and urea levels in blood, important kidney function indicators. Its active compounds still help prevent formation of microscopic blood clots that can compromise kidney microcirculation. To use ginger therapeutically, prepare concentrated tea by grating 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger in half liter of boiling water. Let cook for 10 minutes, Strain and consume 3 cups daily, sweetening with honey if necessary. Finally, we arrive at 7th and most surprising plant on our list, nettle, that herb many avoid because of its stinging leaves, but which hides extraordinary healing powers for kidneys. Nettle is true superfood for kidney system, containing impressive concentration of essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, iron, and silicon, plus vitamins A, C, and K in therapeutic quantities. This powerful plant possesses gentle but very effective diuretic properties, helping kidneys eliminate toxins and excess fluids without causing dangerous mineral imbalances. Clinical studies show that nettle can significantly reduce fluid retention in patients with heart failure, indirectly relieving kidney overload. Moreover, its bioactive compounds possess powerful anti-inflammatory effects that can reduce chronic kidney inflammation, one of the main causes of kidney function deterioration over time. Nettle is also rich in flavonoids and phenolic acids that combat oxidative stress and protect delicate kidney tissues against premature aging. To prepare safe therapeutic tea, use 2 tablespoons of dried nettle leaves for each cup of boiling water. Let steep for 15 minutes, strain well, and consume 3 times daily, preferably away from main meals. It's important to remember that these medicinal plants are powerful tools to support kidney health, but don't replace proper medical monitoring. Always consult qualified healthcare professional before starting any natural treatment, especially if you already have diagnosed kidney problems or are taking medications. Some of these plants may interact with medications or be contraindicated in certain specific health conditions. For example, people with heart problems should be especially careful with diuretic plants, as they can affect electrolyte balance. Pregnant or nursing women should avoid several of these plants, and people with hypotension should use hibiscus cautiously due to its hypotensive effects. It's fundamental to start with smaller doses and observe your organism's reaction before increasing quantity or frequency of use. Besides the plants we mentioned, there are other complementary practices that potentiate kidney benefits. Maintaining adequate hydration is fundamental, consuming at least 2 liters of filtered water daily. Reducing consumption of sodium, refined sugar, and processed foods also significantly relieves kidney work. Regular physical exercises improve blood circulation and help natural toxin elimination through sweat. Stress control through relaxation techniques, meditation, or yoga is also important, as chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels and harm kidney function long term. If you've made it this far, it means you truly care about your kidney health, and that makes me very happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe to channel, and activate notifications to receive more valuable natural health content. Also leave in comments which of these plants you already knew and which you plan to try first. Your participation is very important for our community that seeks to live more healthily and naturally. Until next video, take good care of your kidneys. They deserve all your attention and affection.